Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to connect two Onn Party Bluetooth speakers together. Full pairing and sync guide. Step 1. Turn on both speakers. Power on both on speakers. Place them close to each other during setup. Make sure neither speaker is currently connected to a phone or other Bluetooth device. Step 2. Put the first speaker into party sync mode. On the first speaker, press and hold the Bluetooth button for about 3 seconds. The speaker will enter party sync pairing mode and become the master speaker. Step 3. Turn on the second speaker. Power on the second on speaker. It should automatically find and connect to the master speaker. Wait for a confirmation tone or indicator light showing the speakers are linked. Step 4. Connect your phone. Open Bluetooth settings on your phone, tablet, or computer. Search for available Bluetooth devices. Select the on speaker, the master speaker, and connect. Step 5. Play music. Start playing music from your device. Audio should now come through both speakers. Some models may use stereo mode, where one speaker plays the left channel and the other plays the right channel. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment, and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.